must breathe.
Look at all these smokes. Won't be like this if they just use briquettes instead of the old traditional charcoal. Traditional charcoal? Shh, full of impurities, and it burns unevenly. The result? Smoke. Lots of it. Not to mention that annoying ash mess all over your grill. But Jacoid briquettes? They're made from 100% natural coconut shells. No chemicals, no toxin. So if you want a grill that's as smooth and sophisticated as me, switch to Jacoid. Because, let's face it, you're already better than smoke-filled disasters, aren't you?